Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to find your company ID in Paylocity. So if you're signing in for the first time or setting up the app, then just follow along. Your company ID is usually provided by your employer during onboarding. And if you already have access to Paylocity, you may also find it in your login screen or within your account information. And if you cannot locate it, then you need to check any welcome emails or onboarding documents sent by your employer. You can also contact your HR or payroll department as they can provide the correct company ID. And you need to avoid guessing the company ID because entering the wrong one may prevent you from signing in. So that was how to find your company ID in Paylocity. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.